Hey everyone, Barry here. Welcome to What's New, where we break down the latest Verify updates without the release note headache. January 2026 is all about faster insights, clearer visibility, and way less clicking. So let's jump in. First up, audit logs for CUCM, UCCX, and Unity Connection have been significantly enhanced. The experience has been rebuilt to deliver a cleaner, modern interface, faster back-end processing, more efficient searching and filtering. Whether you're troubleshooting or running audits at scale, you can get in, get answers, and move on, even in large environments. Next, Webex Contact Center users, this one's for you. Introducing Block View for CSQ metrics, real-time queue performance, visual, tile-based layout, customizable views focused on what matters most. When queues spike and agents are under pressure, this gives managers an instant pulse check without digging through reports. Ever open a report and think, that's not what we call it? With flexible label sets, you can rename report columns and filters, match internal terminology, apply different labels for different teams. Same data, same platform. Now the reports actually speak your language. Finally, inbound call tracing just got clearer. With original direction tracking, the first leg direction stays visible across every transfer and queue. That means cleaner call flow analysis, easier audits, clear ownership of the initial interaction, perfect for complex inbound call paths where context matters. This is Barry, making analytics make sense.